Got to check out our MaxTrax mounting bracket kit. We've designed these brackets so that they can be mounted, in this case, as you can see, on our crossbars, but also directly onto the top of our roof rack via our flat mount system. So they come standard to be mounted flat, as you can see in this scenario here. As an option, they also come with angle brackets, because some people do like to mount them on your roof rack on an angle for easier access or onto the side of the crossbars. But these brackets are a very easy method. They have a very easy method for mounting the MaxTrax on. Obviously, the pin arrangement is pretty standard between this setup and other brands. However, our pins do fold down. So the pins that come through your tracks to fasten them onto our brackets actually rotate and fold down. So when you're not using your MaxTrax brackets and they're on top of your roof, to gain a bit more clearance for car parks and garages, you can just fold those pins straight down. It's designed to take 4 tracks. This one here has 2 sitting on it, and you can see that the pins have extra length here, so you can chuck another 2 on there and they'll fit beautifully. The top of these pins have a through hole, and that's designed so you can actually put a padlock on there to lock that for security reasons. Once you've dropped your tracks onto the bracket, it's very easy to fasten them on. It just has a strap arrangement, so the strap just loops over the top of your track and you pull it down. The end of the strap has a little elastic band as well around the strap built in, and that's just to feed the excess strap through to stop it flapping in the wind. If you want to check out more about our MaxTrax brackets, jump on trailmax.com.au and you'll find a lot more photos and details about this product, and you'll be able to make a purchase online.